180 card break. But anyways, we'll bust it open, get the packs out, and get started. Hello, hello, hello. Alright. Yeah, I hope we can pull some decent ones. I hate when it's super late at night and then you have a terrible break. It's like makes for a sour ending, but well, let me show you guys the pack information there. If you want to look at that. Pretty simple. Just base, green, red, white, and blues. You can get silvers in here. You got some various inserts as well, so not a lot to Prizm retail. I don't know what that's about. I've never seen one of those. Alrighty, here we go. Stephon Diggs, David Njoku, Cam Newton, Noah Fant, Carson Wentz, Roquan Smith, Kirk Cousins, Cooper Kupp, Dante Fowler Jr. Silver's usually upside down. We got a silver in the first pack. I would say the silvers come like 1 every 12 cellos, so if we got one in the first pack, that's a pretty good start. It is Devin White for the Buccaneers. We got a nice hype DK Metcalf. And Michael Pittman Jr., rookie for the Colts. And a little kid reporter. It always happens. I say the silvers are kind of hard to pull, and we pull in the first cello, so I guess that's a good start. Malcolm Butler, Ian Thomas, and a rookie of Van Jefferson for the Rams. As long as we're getting dudes in pro uniforms, I'm happy. Will Fuller, Mark Brunell, Tyrann Mathieu, Zeke Elliott, Javon Curse, Deion Jones, Richard Sherman, Taysom Hill, another Buccaneers parallel, Ronald Jones Jr. green. Got a Chase Young emergent rookie for the Washington football team, and Ross Blacklock for the Texans. Little corner always sucks up there. Juju Smith-Schuster, Jerry Rice, and a Michael Warren Jr. rookie for the Eagles. Ed Reed, John Brown, Miles Garrett, Sony Michel, Jalen Smith, Drew Lock, got Zach Ertz, O.J. Howard, Adam Thielen, Robert Woods for the Rams, another Buccaneers parallel, the best one so far. We got a green fireworks Tom Brady. That's nice looking. Terry McLaurin, Brilliance insert, and a Ben DiNucci, rookie for the Cowboys. Don't know that little DiNucci will ever get a go at his own team, but gotta get those quarterbacks sleeved up, I guess, you know. You just never know. And these things never open up the way I would hope they would. There we go. Always tear and rip. Alright, Stephon Gilmore, Kyle Fuller, and Jermichael Hasty, rookie for the 49ers. We got a couple guys that have been in their college jerseys. You got combine unis, college jerseys, pro unis, a little bit of everything. Alright, Le'Veon Bell, Jack Doyle, Jonathan Hodgson, Keenan Allen, Kenny Galladay, Leighton Vander Esch, Shaq Thompson, Brian Bosworth, Ronald Jones Jr. Got a green Thaddeus Moss, rookie for the Redskins. Pretty sweet looking there. Saquon Barkley, go hard or go home. And a Cam Akers rookie for the Rams. Oh my goodness. There we go. Big Ben Roethlisberger, red, white, and blue. Colin Farrell. And, oh, nice Justin Jefferson rookie. I say nice. That one looks like it has some dings on it. Oh my gosh, it does. Jeez Louise. She's got like 1, 2. It looks like those, like somebody stuck their fingernails down on it or something. There's got to be a machine part that does that because I see that way too often. Even with like Mosaic, I used to see it quite a bit. You had like those fingernail looking dings. That's horrible though, because that's probably one of the best cards we pulled so far. I do have a friend who had a successful Panini replacement the other day, so that may be something to look into with that card. Send it in to see if Panini would replace it with the exact card or something of equal value. Jarvis Landry, Calvin Oy, Troy Polamalu, Alshon Jeffrey, Chris Jones, Ryan Kerrigan, Jelani Tavai, Jason Pierre-Paul, Anthony Harris. We have a green Joe Namath for the Jets. Fireworks Juju Smith-Schuster for the Steelers. And Clavon Chasson, rookie for the Jags. Max Crosby, red, white, and blue for the Raiders. DJ Moore for the Panthers. And Zach Bond, red, white, and blue rookie for the Saints. Yeah, midnight snack. My stomach's turning. Alright, we got 7 cells left. We got to pick up the pace a little bit. See if we can find something a little bit better here. Deshaun Watson, Jamal Adams, Quentin Nelson, Jonathan Allen, Mike Williams, Marvin Jones Jr., Daniel Hunter, Aaron Donald, Sean Alexander, and a green Justin Simmons for the Broncos. Too often than not, our greens are just kind of meh. Got a hype Josh Jacobs for the Raiders, and a Devin Duvernay rookie for the Ravens. Move some cards over there. Alright, if we can get some good red, white, and blues, we might get on a roll here. Been pretty crabby otherwise. Peyton Manning, nice red, white, and blue for the Colts. Ricky Jackson for the Saints. And Javon Kinlaw for the 49ers. Sounds like you got a pretty good storm rolling through here right now. The rafters just shook. Actually, I had a break about 6 months ago. In the fall, the town's tornado siren went off. So I sat right here while the siren was going off and finished the break. And then I bolted for the back room. Luckily, we just had some really bad winds. The tornado was a little bit further south of where I was sitting. So, Sam Darnold, Phillip Rivers, Marlon Humphrey, Bryce Love, Keelan Doss, Eddie Jackson, Byron Murphy, got a sticky there, Calvin Ridley, a little Debo Samuel. This is like the fourth parallel, at least, for the Buccaneers. That's Shaquille Barrett, green unstoppable. Got a Patrick Mahomes brilliance and a J.K. Dobbins rookie. So that was one of the better 3-card sequences we've had tonight. That Mahomes slipped in there. I'm telling you, the Buccaneers are just loading up on this break. I like J.K. Dobbins. I think he's going to be pretty good. It's like Mark Ingram was obsolete last year. I think he's injured and had some COVID stuff, but I don't know. I felt like I heard J.K. Dobbins' name more often. Joe Mixon, red, white, and blue. Sammy Watkins and Jason Huntley. Red, white, and blue rookie for the Lions. All right, where's all those quarterbacks? I don't know if we pulled anything better than DiNucci so far. Maybe these last 5 cellos will just be full of rookie quarterbacks. We got Marlon Mack, Justin Tucker, Devin Singletary, Jim McMahon, DeMarcus Lawrence, Cortland Sutton, Shaquille Griffin, Rob Gronkowski, Donald Driver. Got a green Kirk Cousins for the Vikings. There's a little bit of a makeup. Justin Jefferson. We got that bad red, white, and blue, but we got an emergent there. And a Jalen Johnson rookie for the Bears. Emergent's nowhere near the value of that red, white, and blue, but if you can take that red, white, and blue and resubmit it to Panini for potential replacement, that would be nice. And have this one on top of it. Yeah, here comes a Herbie. Come on. Tell you what, I cannot stand these flimsy little packs they come in. Preston Williams, red, white, and blue. There's a Christian McCaffrey and Willie Gay Jr., rookie for the Chiefs. Miles Jack. With a couple of cards stuck. Baker Mayfield. Kalen Ballage. TJ Watt. Sean Evans. Dalvin Tomlinson. Cole Hardman Jr. Some of these base cards are sticking together. Drew Brees. I think that one's stuck too. There we go. T.J. Hawkinson. Zadarius Smith. We got a Quez Watkins. Green rookie for the Eagles. Hype Josh Allen for the Bills. And Antoine Winfield Jr. for the Buccaneers. All right. Terry McLaurin, red, white, and blue. Josh Reynolds, Antonio Gibson for the Redskins. I like Antonio Gibson. Redskins got a few decent cards so far. All right, we got 3 cellos left. It'll take a lot of catching up to get some of these quarterbacks. We've been getting wrecked tonight as far as the quarterbacks go. Xavier Howard, Cameron Hayward, Jameson Crowder, Patrick Mahomes, Montez Sweat, Charles Woodson, Shaquille Barrett, Raheem Mostert, Trey Boston. We got a hype DJ Moore for the Panthers. A little green there. Keenan Allen, Brilliance, and Jared Pinkney, rookie for the Falcons. Yeesh. I have a nice red, white, and blue in here if you're gonna give us Jared Pinkney as our rookie. C.J. Mosley, Kevin Byard, and a Thaddeus Moss, red, white, and blue for the Redskins again. So you got Redskins and Buccaneers just kind of lighting it up. Some other teams suffering a little bit, quite a bit. 2 packs left. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Hold on. Austin Hooper, Paris Campbell, Mark Andrews, Hunter Renfroe, Khalil Mack, Amari Cooper, Aeneas Williams, Todd Gurley, Nick Bosa. We got a Leonard Fournette green for the Jaguars. Lamar Jackson fireworks. And A.J. Dillon rookie for the Packers. Here comes the rain. Hopefully the service on my phone lasts through this rain. I've broken the rain before, but it's pretty loud out there right now. Maybe the rain will bring some hits. Tre'Davious White, Michael Vick, and Raekwon Davis for the Dolphins. Alright, last Cello here. We got Earl Thomas, Yannick Ngakoue, Odell Beckham Jr., Dak Prescott, Harold Landry, Michael Strahan, Fred Warner, sorry my roof had a blowout, Michael Thomas, Trey Flowers, got a green Brandon Graham for the Eagles. Unstoppable Daniel Hunter for the Vikings and DJ Dallas, rookie for the Seahawks. This one's going to go down as one of the worst. One of the worst breaks out of Prizm Cellos that I think I've had. Darius Slayton. Russell Wilson, red, white, and blue. And Quez Watkins for the Eagles. Jeez. We got so many combine guys tonight. I don't even think we got a quarterback besides DiNucci, honestly. Pretty sure he's the only rookie quarterback. Alright, we'll do a recap of what we did pull. There were a couple teams that did well, but most of the teams kind of had a bad night. Devin White, silver. Van Jefferson, red, white, and blue. Chase Young, emergent. Michael Warren Jr., red, white, and blue. Got a green fireworks. Tom Brady. Ben DiNucci, rookie. JaMychal Hasty, red, white, and blue. Thaddeus Moss, green. Cam Akers, rookie. Justin Jefferson, red, white, and blue. Had those weird dings. Vikings would have been all right otherwise, but like I said, you might try to get the card replaced if you're interested in doing that. Zach Bond, red, white, and blue for the Saints. Javon Kinlaw, red, white, and blue for the Niners. Got a green unstoppable Shaquille Barrett. Patrick Mahomes, brilliance. J.K. Dobbins, rookie. Jason Huntley, red, white, and blue. Kirk Cousins, green. Justin Jefferson, emergent. Willie Gay Jr., red, white, and blue. Quez Watkins, green. Hype, Josh Allen for the Bills. Antonio Gibson, red, white, and blue. Green, hype, DJ Moore. Thaddeus Moss, red, white, and blue. A.J. Dillon, rookie. Raekwon Davis, red, white, and blue. Quez Watkins, red, white, and blue. Our last one was the old Russell Wilson, red, white, and blue. Got a Big Ben, red, white, and blue too, but not much of a consolation prize. That was tough. I do appreciate you guys jumping in. Most of you paid up before the break started. Like I said, there was quite a few unpaid teams, but hopefully they'll pay in the morning or something. But anyways, you guys take it easy. Have a good rest of your evening. If you need something, just shoot me a message on eBay or Facebook. Catch you later.